Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. And I am sure you all are helping your parents, studying well, eating healthy food, and staying at home. Children, we all know the importance of plants, trees, and rain in our lives. But do you know there is one landform that has very less vegetation and it also gets very less rainfall? Do you know the name of this landform? Yes, the name of this landform is desert. So children, today we will do chapter number 4, the Western Desert. First, I will read the chapter and then I will explain the chapter. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you the learning objectives of this chapter. Learning objectives means what will you expect to learn at the end of this chapter. So at the end of this chapter, you have learned meaning of desert, location of Rajasthan and the Western Desert, major cities of Western Desert, sand dunes, climate of the region, life in the region and development in the region. So let's start reading of the chapter. Chapter number 4, the Western Desert. Introduction. The state of Rajasthan lies to the southwest of the northern plains. The Aravalli Hills divide it into two parts. The western part is a big desert and land is covered with sand. This is called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It forms a boundary between India and Pakistan. About 85% of the Thar Desert is in India and the remaining part is in the Pakistan. The Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world with a population density of 83 people per square kilometer. It is the largest desert in India. Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Badmer, etc. are some major cities of Thar Desert. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan and it is also called the Pink City. The Indian desert extends from Aravalli Hills to the border of Pakistan in the west and from Rann of Kutch in the southwest to the border of Haryana and Punjab plains. The Indian desert is partly sandy and partly rocky. Jodhpur is the largest city in the desert. Deserts receive very little rainfall and so they are very dry and sandy. Desert is a flat area covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. At some places there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. These sand dunes may rise to a height of 500 feet. Hot and dry winds blow here and thus the sand dunes keep shifting all the time. Dust storms are common in the months of May and June. In the desert areas, the summer season is very hot up to 50 degrees Celsius and the winters are very cold 1 degree to 10 degrees Celsius. After the sunset, the sand cools down quickly and thus the nights are very cold. There is hardly any rainfall and thus vegetation is scarce. Life in the region. Women wear a long skirt called ghagra, choli or kurti, blouses and tops with an odhni. The turban called pagdi, pajamas, angrakha, dhoti, waistband, patka and kamarband are integral clothing of men. Some people travel from one place to another place in search of food and water, so they are called banjaras. Houses have flat roofs and small windows. The walls are thick to keep the heat out and let the house remain cool. The languages spoken are Sindhi, Marwadi, Rajasthani and Hindi. Ghumar is a traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. It is performed by women. There are no permanent rivers and only some small streams exist, which are usually dry. They start flowing only when it rains. Vegetation is limited to scattered thorny bushes. It is difficult to build roads and railway lines in a desert. The camel is the chief mode of transportation. It is called the ship of the desert. Camels can live for days without food and water. They are also used to plow the fields and draw water from wells. Camel hair is used to make clothes and good quality paint brushes, and its skin to make tents. Water is generally scarce, but at a few places the underground water comes up to the surface and forms big pools. Such a place is called an oasis. Some trees like date palms, kikar, babool and grass grow in the oasis. Small villages also develop around an oasis. Development in the region. The soil in the desert is quite fertile, but it is difficult to grow crops because there is little or no water. The situation is now changing. The government is making serious efforts to improve the life of the people in the desert areas. Indira Gandhi Canal has been constructed to carry water from the confluence of rivers Satluj and Beas to the most arid regions of the state. Besides providing water for agriculture, the canal supplies drinking water to hundreds of people in far-flung areas. A big farm has already been developed at Suratgarh in Rajasthan. The blooming of the desert has begun. Deserts are generally formed because of shortage of water in a place. Deserts are generally formed because of shortage of water in a place. But humans are also responsible for creating a desert. If we destroy the forests and allow the cattle, sheep and goats to graze the grasslands faster than they can produce fresh grass, the land becomes a desert. Cutting down of forests and overgrazing of grassland must be controlled. We can do it by planting trees and shrubs and keeping the land covered with grasses. We can grow many types of crops by using the limited water resources properly. This will help in improving the life of the people in the desert areas. Children, we have read this chapter. Now I will explain this chapter to you. So before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you some fun facts about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is made up of two words, Raja plus Sthan. Rajasthan. Raja plus Sthan. Raja means king. Sthan means abode. Abode means a house or a home, a place where someone lives. So the literal meaning of Rajasthan is abode of the kings, means राजाओं के रहने की जगह. राजस्थान, राजा plus sthan. Okay, Raja means kings and sthan means place or a home or a house. Okay. Before independence, Rajasthan was called Rajputana and Rajasthan is the largest state of India area wise. So now we will discuss the chapter. First of all, you have to know the meaning of a desert. Desert is a flat area covered with sand. Desert is a flat area covered with sand and having very less vegetation. Vegetation means plants, trees, etc. Desert receives very less rainfall and so they are very sandy and rocky. And they are also very dry. Now I will show you one picture of a desert. See the picture of a desert. This is a flat land covered with sand and vegetation is very less here. Now we will see the location of Rajasthan and the Western Desert. First we will see the location of Rajasthan in India's political map. Then we will see the location of Western Desert. The Western Desert is also called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is also known as Desert State of India. This is the political map of India and we will see the location of Rajasthan in this. First we will see the 4 directions of our map. This is north direction. This is south direction. This is west direction and this is east direction. So where is Rajasthan? Rajasthan is in the west side. Rajasthan is in the west side of India's political map. The state of Rajasthan lies to the southwest of the northern plains. These are northern plains and here is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan lies to the southwest. This is west side. This is west side and this is south of the northern plains. This is south of the northern plains. So where is Rajasthan? Rajasthan lies to the southwest of the northern plains. The whole Rajasthan is not desert. This is west side of Rajasthan and this is the east side of Rajasthan. Only the west side is desert part. The Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into 2 parts, the west part and the east part. The Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into 2 parts, the west part and the east part. West part is desert and east part is very fertile. So the Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into 2 parts, the western part and the eastern part. The western part is a big desert and land is covered with sand. This is called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It forms a boundary between India and Pakistan. About 85% of the Thar Desert is in India and remaining part is in Pakistan. So we will see the Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. And children, do you know that Aravalli Hills are the oldest hills of India? See the Aravalli range here. This is Rajasthan and this is Aravalli range. Aravalli range divides Rajasthan into 2 parts, the west part and the east part. Aravalli range divides Rajasthan into 2 parts, the west part and the east part. West part is desert, that is why it is called Western Desert. and this part is very rocky and sandy. And the eastern part is very fertile. This is Aravalli Range, and Aravalli Range lies in the eastern region of the desert state. Rajasthan is also called the desert state of India. Children, the next topics we will do in my next class, and you have to read the chapter properly and you have to see the video. Thank you, dear children.